Jandakot Tower, Zulu Delta Romeo, ready at Bravo 106 left for Jandakot Lake, received echo.
Zulu Delta Romeo, Jandakot Tower, line up runway 06 left.
Lining up 06 left, Zulu Delta Romeo. Strobes are on, cleared final, got the aircraft on the runway now. Everyone ready? Over.
Zulu Delta Romeo, traffic is at Twin Airport, they're departing in the Fremantle direction, climbing into controlled airspace, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, got the traffic in sight, Zulu Delta Romeo. Right, everyone ready? Ready.
Jandakot Tower, Bravo, Quebec, Oscar, Kristen, Eagle, inbound, 1,500, boat yard with echo.
Green, T's and P's
Bravo, Quebec, Oscar Tower, maintain 1,500.
Airspeed is alive.
Maintain 1,500, Bravo, Quebec, Oscar, thank you.
60 knots, we'll just let the aircraft glide itself off the ground. 65
Zulu
knots.
Hotel Charlie, cleared to land.
Clear to land, Zulu Hotel Charlie.
And got the traffic straight ahead. Front feet flaps are up, T's and P's are in the green, and maintaining runway centre line. 600 feet, cleared right, centre, got the traffic over there, and cleared left, got a reference point. Busselton traffic, Cessna 172 Zulu Delta Romeo is 10 nautical mile to the northeast of the airfield. We are inbound, currently descending to 1,600 feet, estimating circuit time 5-2, Busselton traffic. I'll begin that descent now, we'll just do a nice slow one.